What information on items of furniture is of interest to our customers today and has already been requested from us several times? To be able to respond to such queries faster in the future, we have drawn up a new form of environmental product information, or EPI for short. Our EPI is a Type 2 environmental label, as described in ISO 14021. It describes the environmental effects of the product in question in the various phases of the product life cycle with regard to material, transport, production and recycling. It can therefore have a very significant impact on purchasing decisions. To make it possible to trace the sustainable qualities of our products, the new EPI provides information about, for example, the proportion of recycled materials, how low CO2 emissions are during production, and lists other environmental effects in a detailed life cycle assessment. In the past, we were able to answer customer queries about environmental and sustainability-related aspects based on our certificates, e.g. TÜV Rheinland certified, emission tested, tested for harmful substances, or FEMB level and cradle to cradle. Although that provides a good basis, our new EPI provides more details on the various individual aspects. Alongside product-specific environmental messages and data, it also contains general statements for VS concerning sustainability. The basis for the data used to calculate the life cycle assessment is the so-called GABI database. The datasets for this database provide the basis for a standardized life cycle assessment calculation. In addition, the GABI database is constantly being updated and adapted to the most recent technologies and economic developments. Consequently, the results of the life cycle assessments in the new VS EPI are directly comparable with the EPD's environmental product declarations or other sustainability datasheets produced by our competitors. It also contains statements on the carbon footprint and the cradle-to-gate assessment, i.e. the assessment of the environmental balance during the various life cycle stages, from materials purchasing and delivery and on to the manufacturing of the furniture. The new environmental product information from VS, detailed, clear and informative.